Daal ki Punjiri. Chanay ki dal ½ kilogram. Soak for overnight. Grind it well. Make small flat breads. Fry in desi ghee. Mix gums to tablespoon. Phool Makhanay ½ cup. Almonds ½ cup. Pistachue and Cashew ½ cup. Coconut ½ cup shredded. Grind all these fried ingredients. Raisins and melon seeds. Grind fried dal. Desi ghee to tablespoon. Grinded dal. Fried grinded ingredients. Sugar as per taste, 1.5 cup. What a taste! Watch quickly, cook properly, eat healthy.